Hi, welcome back to Putzel Kitchen. I'm so excited. It's ramp season, and these are one of the first green things to grow in the spring. It's wild, they're wild onions, and really kind of a delicacy in the culinary world. Ramps are unique because they have the sweetness of a leek, but kind of the pungency of garlic. And as you can see, they have a red stem and the leaves are a little bit wider compared to a scallion or green onion. So if you look at them next to each other, the ramp is a little rounder with the red stem and the wide leaf, and the scallion is long and thin. So I'm going to just put these on a couple sheets of foil and leave the leaves on because they have a nice flavor and they'll get kind of charred. Drizzle it with a little olive oil, sprinkling it with some freshly ground black pepper. I'm gonna do some fresh pink Himalayan sea salt, grind that on there. I'm gonna throw this on the grill for about 2 minutes aside, and I'll check in with you with a photo afterwards so you can see what it looks like.